All right, we're going to work on Defender of Time. I'm putting the metronome at 132. Make sure before you start, play an open G and a fourth finger G on the D string. Go ahead and give that a shot. Open G, fourth finger G on the D string. That gets our hand in position. And here's the metronome. It's going to keep us with the metronome. Make sure you play all the rests along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. Up, up. Rest, rest, rest. 8 bars of rest. 7, 8. Here we go. Go. Hold, hold, hold. Up, up. Rest, rest, rest. Pizzicato. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Open D. Keep the fourth finger touching. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Arco. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest. Rest.